Good morning, everybody. Today I am in Dublin and I'm in Smithfield Square. Actually, behind me is the Jameson Distillery. Very cool place. We're going to take some tours. We're going to do the free walking tour. We're going to do the Dublin Castle tour. We're just going to explore some food, but I want to show you one quick cool place that I visited last night. It's the Cobblestone Bar, and it's there. So I'm going to show it to you right now. So there it is right there, Cobblestones. It's a locals bar, but obviously tourists can enjoy. It's got really good beer, and the best part is the live local music is fantastic. They'll sing everything from traditional songs to current songs. Great place. And it's only 200 meters from the distillery. Céad Mille Fáilte, which means 1,000 welcomes in the Irish language. I'm in Dublin, Ireland, where Irish is the national language, but only 10% of the people actually speak it. The original medieval castle was destroyed in a fire, and the only surviving part is actually this tower, and that's partly because the walls are over 4 meters thick. Christ Church Cathedral is one of the oldest buildings here in Dublin, and actually it's home of the tomb of Strongbow, who was the leader of the Normans who captured the city of Dublin in the year 1170. If you're wondering where the name Dublin came from, well, in the ancient Celtic language, Dublin was very close to the words Black Pool because of the swampy areas and the dark colors that they would actually be. Ancient ships used to actually moor here. Now, in this same park, you'll find the Chester Beatty Library, which is voted one of the best museums in all of Europe. The museum houses a very large collection of East Asian and Islamic artifacts. When you finish touring the museum, come up to the roof deck. So I ordered the pork and cabbage. It's got mashed potatoes, pork, cabbage, and some kind of cream. It's really, really, really good. I'll show you a piece right there. The recommendation was to try it, and the guy was totally right. I just had a fantastic dinner at the Stag's Head for €20. Highly recommended. I'm standing outside of the Jameson Distillery. Now, the original distillery on this site was called the Bow Street Distillery and was established in 1780. John Jameson took full ownership and by 1810 renamed it as John Jameson and Sons Bow Street Distillery. So I just had a fantastic tour of the Kilmainham jail. I highly suggest that if you have the time to do it, you should, and also buy the tickets ahead of time. It's a little bit harder to get in here without tickets. The tour lasted about an hour. You learn a lot about the history. It's a great place. Definitely make it on your list of things to do. See ya. Hey everyone, so that's the end of my trip, my short trip here to Dublin and to Northern Ireland. And I just wanted to say that I really had an amazing time here. I think the Irish people are really funny. They actually have a great sense of humor. Everywhere you go, someone's got a joke to crack, and sometimes it's really dry, but really funny. Just great people. They're really kind, really nice. The atmosphere is great, and I just want to read you a quick quote that I found online and I think is really suitable. In Dublin, you are able to celebrate life, happiness, and history. The culture is focused on being alive, yet aware of the past. All people are welcome. I really think that fits my exact opinion of this country. So, take care guys, see you in the next place. Bye.